Hi everyone, welcome to our crochet channel. Today we're making a beautiful flower coaster that's perfect for adding a handmade touch to your home or gifting to someone special. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced crocheter, this tutorial is for you. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more creative projects. Let's get started. Round 1. Begin with a magic ring and crochet 9T inside it. Pull the ring tight and join with a slip stitch. Tip: make sure your stitches are evenly spaced in the ring. Great start, let's move on. Round 2. For this round, work 9VT, 2 double crochets into each stitch from the previous round. Join with a slip stitch. Tip: keep your tension consistent for a neat result. Well done. Round 3. Work the sequence TVT and repeat 9 times around. This will create a nice rounded shape. Join with a slip stitch. Keep up the good work. You're doing amazing. Round 4. Work 2T, VT, and repeat 6 times. This creates the base for the petals. Tip: mark the start of your round if it helps you keep track. You're halfway there. Stay motivated. Round 5. Crochet 4F, 2FV around, repeating the sequence 6 times. These are the petals starting to form. Tip: count your stitches carefully to keep your petals symmetrical. Fantastic progress. Round 6. For this round, work 4T, F, 2F, V, F, and repeat 6 times. You'll see the petals becoming more defined. Keep going. You're creating something beautiful. Round 7, crochet 4T, 6FV around and repeat the sequence 6 times. The petals are almost complete. Tip, take a moment to admire your work. It's coming together beautifully. Round 8, finish with 4X, 12F, and repeat 6 times. This gives the final touch to your coaster. Join with a slip stitch and fasten off. Tip, use your yarn needle to weave in any loose ends for a polished finish. Amazing work. You did it. Your flower coaster is ready. Take a moment to appreciate your hard work and creativity. Imagine how beautiful this will look on your table or as a gift. Don't forget to share your creations in the comments below. I'd love to see them. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed making this flower coaster as much as I did. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more crochet projects. See you in the next video. Happy crocheting!